Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the signature specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 11,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.